Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the chapter Cell, the unit of life for grade 11th. We have already discussed one model of cell membrane and we are going to take up the another model, unit membrane model, in this video. Watch the video till the end. We'll be talking about the various pointers, why this model was rejected, why is it similar to the model given by Daniel and Davison, and how is it different from the fluid mosaic model given by Singer and Nicholson. So we'll please watch till the end, because in the end you will get all the important pointers on the board for the notes. So we start with the first thing, that this model was proposed by Robertson. Fine. Now there were many similarities between the previous model which we have did, that is sandwich model, and the unit model. So we'll talk about the similarities first. So the similarities between sandwich model and unit model. Fine. So first of all, as in sandwich model, Daniel and Davison said that it is made up of phospholipid and protein bilayer. That was correct. It's the same here as well. Then it said that the phospholipids are amphipathic. That's correct. That's the same. It was stated by Robertson as well. Then the arrangement was same. That means the arrangement of proteins and the phospholipid molecules were same. These three pointers were same, but there were a few differences also. What was the difference? Now, the point of difference were that Robertson gave a ratio of proteins and phospholipids, which was not given by Daniel and Davison. Secondly, they said that the proteins are fibrous. Proteins are beta fibrous. Otherwise, Daniel and Davison said that the proteins were globular. But according to Robertson, the proteins were beta fibrous. They were not globular. Globular means rounded in shape. So these are the differences. Now according to these differences, let's make the model or the diagram again. So the arrangement remains the same. This is the arrangement. Fine. So the tails, it is phospholipid bilayer and it has proteins present on the sides. Proteins are fibrous. So maybe we have it like this. Okay, otherwise we had globular proteins, but we'll have the fibrous proteins here, right? And again, the fibrous protein ratio is there. Ratio, I will talk about it. Now, he also gave I'll write it here only. He also gave or mentioned the diameter, that was 75 to 100 Armstrong. That is the thickness. Thickness was 75 to 100 Armstrongs of the plasma membrane. Fine. Now again the same thing, we are going to see whether it fulfills or it explains all the three properties of plasma membrane, wherein the first one is that the fat molecules can easily move in, fat soluble. Yes, they can. From the proteins they can, head they can, tails they can, and finally they can move out. So one is proved. That means allow fat soluble molecules to pass. Now we come to water soluble molecules. Water soluble molecules, again the same condition. It passes through the proteins, head region also, but tails it cannot pass because tails are hydrophobic. So does not allow water soluble molecules to pass. Next property, that the phospholipid is to protein ratio. So proteins is to phospholipid ratio, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 phospholipid molecules, and we have proteins as well. If we say अगर एक ही layer का count करें तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phospholipids and proteins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. So this is the protein is to phospholipid ratio which was given by them. Last property, that is it fluid or is it dynamic? So they did not talk about it, did not discuss, it was not explained, did not explain the fluidity. Fine. So as they could not explain the fluidity and these water molecules can also not pass from it, that property is not fulfilled. So this model, the unit model of cell membrane, was also rejected. So next we are going to talk about the fluid mosaic model, wherein we'll talk about the various properties in the same manner. We'll talk about the arrangements and all. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.